Good morning, children. This is the video for workbook activity number 3. It's a simple activity. Just look at the picture. We have to find which type of alignment have completed the selected cells. So simple. Observe the picture carefully. So I will explain. In Home tab, we have a group of icons. In that icons, we can make our data in a workbook. More alignments. We have a justification options and merging cells and giving table grids for your tables. So we have more alignment options. So already I have explained in my practical videos all the alignments types, and I have did some samples in that video. Watch my MS Excel practical video, you can understand. So here you have to find which type of alignment has completed the selected cells. See the column A22 and C2, the selected C rows 2 and the column numbers. So observe the picture carefully. Let me explain the given task here. Student mark list, they have just entered this line. So the sentence student mark list they have entered in 3 times in the worksheet. So see first one, student mark list, they have merged the cells, 3 cells. Okay, see the column heading A is the column, and see the row number 2, serial number 2. A2 is the cell reference started here, and A2 and end student mark list, the word end with in C column, row number 2, A2 to C2 here. See they entered just one text. Okay, so they have merged the cells. Okay, merged the 3 cells, student mark list as a one word, and justification they have did a justification here. We have 3 type of justifications in typing a paragraph or sentence in a MS Word or Excel. Right justification, the word starts from right side or the word starts from left side. Okay, we have a right side justification and left side, and showing our text in center. Okay, so 3 types of justification we have in Office package. So here you have to find which side of justification option have completed of did. Okay, so right side or left side, you have to give your answers in that answer box. Okay, in my next picture the questions I have explained here. So in your workbook you have to write correct answer. Okay, so the first option they have merged the cells and enter the one text. They have did a justification here. This is the answer you have to find here, which type of justification they have done. Okay, so right side or left side or center, write the answer in your workbook. Second one, same sentence they have entered here, student mark list, the same word. Okay, so see the picture carefully. So which type of alignment have done here. On the third one, see the column heading and row number, which type of alignment have done here, and write your answer in that question. So let me explain the question here. The first question, cell A2 to cell C2, the first one answer is left side justification. Okay, see the text carefully. Student mark list, the letter started with, just imagine, just a left side or image right side or center. Imagine and write your answer here. Next one, cell number A4 to C4. Third question, cell number A6 to C6. So look at the picture carefully and take a reference from your textbook. See the MS Excel modifying worksheet lesson. We have an explanation of all the alignments icons in Home tab, justification icons. Look at the paragraph in your textbook. Read once again the concept of justification. Understand the concept and come to your workbook task here. Write your answers. Okay, it's a very simple activity. Okay, nothing to worry. There is no any concepts here. You can write your answers very easily. Okay, I have explained the concept of this workbook and given one simple sample answer. First option, first task answer here. You can write other two questions answers here. Understand? So write your answers in your book very neatly. Mention the date in top of the worksheet number and write it, and take image and send it to your class WhatsApp group. Okay, so complete it without fail. And let me explain the next worksheet. This is worksheet number 4, types of charts. Okay, for this activity you have to watch my practical video. In my practical video, how to insert charts in MS Excel. It's a very simple. Once we have completed our data entry on the data analysis reports we have created, we can go for chart options. We have to select the table and we can insert any type of charts for our table. It is the graphic representation of data. We can see our reports in chart. The users can understand the comparison of data viewing chart options. Okay, so here they are given some chart types, some sample values. We have to write the type of chart, the name of chart. Okay, the first one, read the task here. Identify the type of chart in each picture. Okay, so here the first one they given sample. It's a type of column chart. Okay, and the second one we have to find which type of chart. Look at the picture, image carefully and write the name of the type of the chart. And next one, on third one, same charts are here and we have to give the type of chart name. Okay, it's a very simple activity. Complete this activity also. Before you have to do this activity, watch my previous videos, practical videos, and take a reference and see the textbook pages. Read all the pages once again. You can get some clear ideas and you can give your answers for this task. Very simple. It's a very simple activity. The first activity we are going to write justification type. Which type of justification have done in the 3 sentences, and here we are going to give name of the chart type. Okay, simple activity. There is nothing to worry. Just read the textbook images and a practical video. You can understand. You can complete this activity. So write your answers in your workbook very neatly. Put the data of the in top of the worksheet and which date we have completed for our reference. Write the answers in a ballpoint pen or gel pen or any color, black or blue. Your handwriting will should be very legibly. Very neat answers, very presentations I am expected here. Okay, so complete it without fail. If you need any clarification of these 2 activities, you can give a message to my personal WhatsApp inbox, or you can speak to me. I will explain once again. You can clarify your doubts. In my previous commerce in 7th standard, only few students have submitted. It's a very regret. Those are not submitted assignments and homework, submit it earlier and hand over your homeworks, assignments to school. Still, most of the students not submit hand out their PT1 examination papers. When you submit your PT1 exam papers, you can hand over your homeworks for corrections and workbook assignments papers. You can hand over it. So complete your task on time. Based on your performance, the internal marks will be added to you. Don't be defaulters in any subject for giving assignments and homeworks for your better understanding of concept. Okay, for CS assignments and writing task would be 10 to 15 minutes. Within 10 to 15 minutes, you can complete all the CS assignments and writing task, any task. And classwork, we have only simple 1 or 2 pages only. So don't be defaulted in CS subject. Complete your task on time. First, watch my previous videos, MS Excel practical video, and take your textbook, refer the textbook pages, chart types, go through once again and watch my video. You can understand what are the types of charts we have in MS Excel. The purpose of using chart is presenting graphical data. It's a graphical data representations purpose we are using charts and inserting charts in a worksheet. So we have more types of charts. Understand the all types of name of the charts and write your answers here. For doing your previous activity, see the modifying worksheet lesson. What are the type of alignments we have in MS Excel? Understand the concept, read the paragraph and look at the icons and write your answers for your first activity, workbook activity number 3. Understand the concept to give your answers. It's important here. Okay, you need any clarifications, you can ask me about completing this activity or any concept understanding. You can speak to me. Complete it within today or tomorrow. Okay, deadline is completing this workbook activity today or tomorrow. You have to send image to your class WhatsApp group. Okay, so don't need to submit in a TeachPin tab. Submit it through WhatsApp only for completed reference. Write your answers neatly. Attend and participate all the live sessions. Get interact with teachers. Speak with the teachers for any subject queries or any general doubts. The purpose of conducting online session is to having interact with the teachers. It's important here. Your attendance is must for all the sessions. It will be noted. So finally we will add all the performance to internal assessment. Clear? Once you have completed, send the image to my WhatsApp.